I could be dining on the silver linen, riding in the limousine, going to the pub, going to the pub. Smoke, dope, hope you don't my arm, tipping with the gas, tipping with the law, chilling with the bush, chilling with the coast, pity for the losers, chilling with the pros, getting kinda close, come back in my dose, cause I'm kinda getting lonely in this bed of memories. Taking another time, yeah, I'm like, please, come on home. I could be acrylic if you want me to. If you want it, I'ma keep it coming and I'm stopping, I'ma be on you. Gotta hit the one way, cause I feel like keep on rolling, put my foot on the gas, come and show the love, doing that. If she loves it bad, I'm bad, I don't care who is there, run away, give it there, try, see my hands in the air, 5 fingers, no, it's my middle finger in the air, they be asking, what you gonna do, what you gonna be, who you gonna do, who you gonna see, I ain't saying shit, no, I ain't singing no hoes, like you never hear me rapping slow-mo, oh, in the club, with the jeans low, too bad, gotta give away everything that I have. Gotta get another bottle from the liquor store. Hold on now, cause I'm gonna give a little bit of show. So the motherfucker give them what they really wanna know. Girl, I'm glad that you know this. Tell me that you really want this. Hope you wanna take me on a pillow fight. Take me for a night, second love is style. For a love, present now, silent night. Just me and you, forever loving you. Have you ever really kept a real man take care of you? Can you tell me point of view? That I'm speaking goddamn true. Just a matter of town. That I'm really gonna man, I wanna be on you.